Okay, here we are for another exciting, oh, I can barely contain myself, exciting video of SpaceEngine. And as usual, we're starting here at the Earth. It is daytime on this side of the world right now. So you can see Florida. I don't know why my mouse doesn't show up in the video playback because I can see it plain as day here. So I'm not really sure what's going on with that. I'll just have to figure it out at some point. I don't know what the dealio is. But anyway, I'm just going to kind of do a random, just pick a star that looks interesting and go there. Here's an orange giant that is 167 light years away, and it's got 8 planets. So what the heck? Let's go check it out. Alrighty. Let's take a look here. You can see one of the planets there, it looks like. There's another one there. Let's see what this is here. A scorched desert with one moon. Nah, tired of deserts. There's a lot of deserts. Let's take a wider look here. See what we got. These are all pretty hot planets. This one here is 65 degrees. It's a Selena, which, that means it's kind of got like a surface kind of like our moon. And then there's a gas giant with 15 moons. Let's go look at the Selena. It's 65 degrees. Seems like a comfortable place. And like I said, it's got a surface like our moon. It's actually got a couple of moons itself. There's one here, it looks like. It's just an asteroid that goes around, so it's just a small rock pretty much that goes around it. It looks like there's another one here. No, maybe not. The easiest way to look at this is just select the planet and it's got, yeah, there's the 3 moons there. They're all asteroids, so they're all really small. Anyway, I mean, I can land here. Like I say, it doesn't, nothing really, whoops, no, that's the wrong thing. I didn't want to do that. I landed on one of its moons. Let's try this again. We're going to go back to the planet. And let's see here. Yeah, see, there's the moon I was just on. I didn't mean to land there. Let's go back to this guy and land. Oh, looks like we're going to be right at the terminator between night and day. Yeah, there you can see the sun going down. As it loads the surface here, see all the shadows cast by the sun being really low in the sky. I can actually reverse time and bring the sun back up. Oh, nope. So actually, it may be rising. So the sun is actually rising. So if I forward time, all right, what's going on here? This is crazy. So I want to reverse time then, because something didn't work right. There we go. Okay. For some reason, when I reversed time the first time, it didn't work right. So now it's working. So anyway, like I said, there's not a whole lot to the Salinas. You know, it's got craters on it, I'm sure. It's got mountains. Although I don't see any craters. It almost looks like a desert. Anyway, I think I'm done with this. So let's get out of here. And there's another star here. This is a triple system. So it's got 3 stars. I'm seeing 2 right now. It's got 7 planets. Let's see here. Looks like they all rotate the A star, which is the yellow, actually the orange dwarf. Selena Desert, here's an oceanic planet, so that means that it's just all water. Gas giant, probably has no surface. And the rest are Selenas, and this one is just an ice world. So let's look at the Oceania. Why not? I mean, it's all water. And it looks like it's got, if I can get rid of some of this stuff on my screen, looks like it's got like a huge storm system or something right there. And the water doesn't, the planet's not blue because of the water, because the sun gives it this color. This orange star makes it orange in color. But let's go land in the center of the storm and see what the heck is going on here. I don't know. Probably just show a bunch of clouds, which is pretty much what it's doing. And you know, I'm on the water here, so not really much to see. Yeah, it's just pretty much cloudy. If I were to go on, let's see, maybe a different area where there's not so many clouds, although it's probably going to be a little bit darker here. It's a little bit darker here. Yeah, there's just not a whole lot to see. It's, you know, it's just a planet covered in water. So we'll zoom out of this thing. And let's see what else we can find here. A white main sequence star, another one. So I think that's a moon. Another orange giant, red giant. Here is an orange dwarf binary, which means it's 2 stars, and it has 16 planets, one of them with life on it. Now, I've never actually seen life on a planet per se in this game. It's not like you see them crawling around or anything, but let's see what kind of planet it is that has this life. It's an oceanic planet, so it's all water, and so naturally the life on it is marine. So let's go look at it. And you can see it's similar to the one we were just at. Of course, you can see the blue on this one because the orange star isn't, it doesn't have an orange star like the last planet. Or, I mean, it does, but it's, I guess, not as bright. So it doesn't make this one as quite as orange. But you can see there's still a lot of clouds. So I'm approaching 10 minutes on this video, so I'm going to go ahead and stop here. But I mean, you know, you can just see the sheer scope of this game. I mean, you can spend forever just exploring things, and It's just incredible how many, and this is just the Milky Way galaxy, you know, so you can actually go to other galaxies who have millions of other stars and just see um, more stuff. See, this planet here, this system has 12 planets, and it's having a little difficult time loading. A lot of gas giants in this one. There's a desert, another desert. There's a cold ice giant with some rings around it. I did say I was going to end the video, didn't I? Well, we're going to go on another minute here and just kind of look at this one because it's got rings. We want to see rings. Look at all the moons around it there. We're passing them now. So there we go. So it's a frozen planet. It's so far from the sun that the gases on the planet are frozen. But so if I were to land on it, really you wouldn't see much of anything. It'd probably be just that blue color. But just for giggles, let's do it. Yeah, see, it's just the blue surface. It's flat because it's not solid. It's gas. I mean, it's solid because it's frozen gas, but it's not like terrestrial. It's not like our planet where you have mountains and things of that nature. It's just a solid state, frozen completely. I'm sure if you looked around enough, you could probably see the rings somewhere, but depending on the time of day too, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to end the video now. It's 12 minutes long, so it's probably going to take me forever to upload it. But hey, you know what? Whatever. I'm enjoying myself. And I'll see you on the next video. Hope you enjoy.